Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Are you ready to learn something today?
Yes, ma'am.
Before that, I want you to stand up first, and we will have to sing. The title of our song is Learn With Me. And the truth is, if you have it and you know it, or I did not put the title of it. Now, I will sing first, and then you will next. If you're ready for a lesson, clap your hands. If you're ready for a lesson, clap your hands. If you're ready for a lesson and you want to learn with me, if you're ready for a lesson, clap your hands. If you're feeling kind and weak, stamp your feet. If you're feeling kind and weak, stamp your feet. If you're feeling kind and weak and you want to learn with me, if you're feeling kind and weak, stamp your feet. You're excited for today, shout hooray! Hooray! You're excited for today, shout hooray! Hooray! You're excited for today and you want to learn with me. If you're excited for today, shout hooray! Hooray! Everybody, 1, 2, 3, go!
If you're ready for a lesson, clap your hands. If you're ready for a lesson, clap your hands. If you're ready for a lesson and you want to learn with me, if you're ready for a lesson, clap your hands. If you're feeling kind and weak, stomp your feet. If you're feeling kind and weak, stomp your feet. If you're feeling kind and weak and you want to learn with me, if you're feeling kind and weak, stomp your feet. If you're excited for today, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're excited for today, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're excited for today and you want to learn with me, if you're excited for today, shout hooray! Hooray!
Okay, good job. Before you sit, I want you to pick up all the trash under the table and chairs. Now, is everything clean? Okay, good job. Now, class, have you ever been warned not to go somewhere and do something?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you listen to the warning?
No, ma'am.
What happens if you don't listen to the warning? Can you please share with us your experience, Jennifer?
I used to take my mother's warning not to go out, and later on I regret it because it caused so much trouble.
Okay, thank you. Now, what do you think would happen if someone doesn't listen to a warning? Yes, Lance.
She might be in danger.
Yes, that's right. If someone or we will not listen to a warning, we might be in danger. Now, if you notice, I asked you some questions about disobeying warnings. Now, why is it important to listen to a warning or advice from others or those who care about us? Think about that and we will answer that later. So today, we will read a story. But before that, here are some words that we may encounter in the story. Everybody please read. Squeeze. Kamali. Trampoline. Seal. Okay, thank you. In order for you to understand that, can you please read the definition of the first word? Squeeze.
Squeeze. Push through a tight space.
Okay, thank you. How about the second word? Can you please read? Yes, Irish.
Lippity-lippity, the way a rabbit hops.
Okay, very good. How about the third word? Yes, Robin.
Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea, often used to help with sleep or stomach aches.
Okay, very good. Thank you. How about the second word? Yes, guys.
Shaking from fear or hope.
They go down the lane to gather berries, but Peter goes into Mr. McGregor's garden.
Okay, thank you. First, he ate some lettuce and some fresh beans. And then he ate some radishes. And then, feeling rather sick, he went to look for some horses. But round at the end of cucumber frame, whom should he meet but Mr. McGregor? Now, what does Peter Rabbit did in Mr. McGregor's garden? Yes, I
We ate some lettuce, fresh beans, and radishes.
Okay, very good. But gathering around the garden, who does Peter Rabbit meet? Yes, Jennifer.
He met Mr. McGregor.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Mr. McGregor was on his hands and knees backing up young cabbages, but jumped up a run after Peter waved on it and called him out. Stop, thief! Peter was not dreadfully frightened. He rushed all over the garden. He had forgotten the way back to the gate. He lost one of his shoes among the cabbages and the other shoe among the potatoes. Now, running away from Mr. McGregor, what did Peter lose? Yes, Justin.
He lost his shoes.
Okay. Now, what do you think will happen next? Yes, Stephanie. I think Mr. McGregor got it. Okay, let's find out. After losing them, he ran out of 4 legs and went faster. Peter stopped in a bush beside him. Peter came himself as a blues and shared this. But some were overheard by some friendless fellows who flew to him in great excitement.
Okay. Tepe, paki-ko na lang po. Ano po yung susunod po sa pagkatapos nyo ng 1?
Yung mag-ask ng questions.
Talakayan. Then,
Pwede po pakita yung mga instruction na nila. Palagay na lang po ba?
palagay na. Yung mga guided questions.
Palagay na lang po.
Yung activity po, explain na rin.
Yung sa may activity, mag-group na ng tapos game kasi siya. Yung obstacle game. Tapos, in each group, may 4 station na pupuntahan. Tapos sa 4 station na yun, babasahin silang riddle questions. Tapos sasagutan nila after gumawa ng app na ipapagawa.
Pwede pa ba sa atin kung iba pong reader?
Yung riddle questions, for example, we're obedient bunnies, unlike our brother. We listen well to our loving mother. We stayed at home, we didn't roam. None of us who stayed at home. Tapos, this book, that's of mischief and a garden chase. A blue-coated bunny and a tight space. It's written by Potter, Golden Five. What's the title of this tale in rhyme? Yung mga ganong riddle ba? About number chapter.
Paki-flash nga po yung big book natin. Comments? Sheila.
First of all, congratulations. Tapos sa yung demonstration mo. And I can say po na kabisado niyo po yung flow ng lesson nyo. However, ang napansin ko is yung sa writings. I think it's a little bit too small. Then sa picture po, may nakalagay pa po na parang word sa taas kung ano yung describe ng pictures. Then may nakalagay din po dun sa may yung sa ano niya po yun. Pero dun po sa unlocking of difficulties nyo, ang nakalagay po sa akin ay unang-una po, siguro yung first letter lang po ng words, yung big letter, then the rest po is small letter na. Instead din po na pabasahin nyo yung meaning sa student, mas okay din po siguro na kayo na lang yung magbasa since parang pag kayo po yung nagbigay ng meaning dun sa may student is parang mas iintindihan po nila or mas ma-unlock po nila yung words na yun. And then, sa pagbabasa po ng big book, practice po na magkaroon po ng interaction sa students by giving them eye-to-eye contact. Then, mas okay din po siguro po is, okay lang naman po siguro na may copy, but then, mas okay po siguro na kabisado po natin yung story natin. Also, the story is too long po, time-consuming. Baka po, antokin yung mga students sa story since the energy po ng pagbabasa is a little bit low. And, the question po about sa story, siguro magbigay po tayo ng something na mag-depend yung understanding and also the difficulty ng mga bata. And ayun lang po, congratulations.
Next. I see.
First of all po ate, congratulations po. Napansin ko po sa una, dito po sa may yung energizer. Sabi ko kasi sa ni Ma'am na magsimula na lang po tayo sa may things, then move na po doon tayo sa may
Okay, thank you po. Congrats.